Oh my gosh, he just smoked that thing. Hello guys, how are we doing today? Today, it is a windy day today. I mean, these winds are crazy aggressive. I just talked to this one guy who was here. He said he caught a 5-pounder. So I'm expecting to have a pretty good day today. Maybe he caught that 5-pounder I wanted, but I just got bit. I just got smoked. Oh my god. Holy cow, dude. I just got smoked. Barely hooked. Oh my gosh. He's so small, but man, oh man, is he chunky. Let's go. Maybe today is the day we get on some top water. I'm just gonna quickly weigh him. One 1.71. 1.71. What a beauty. Let's get a quick release on him. And he's off. Nice. That was my second cast. I got hit twice. These winds picking up. Maybe this spook is the way to go. Let's go, man. Holy cow. I just cast right back out there. It might be loaded in this pond. Maybe I can get down here. This might be good. One sec. That's a great way to start off the day. I have caught a 6-pounder in this pond. So I'm expecting some good things today. It's super windy today. For these fish to eat, I need that aggressive side to side walk. I might tie on that whopper flopper. I think I could get bit on that. So I talked to this one guy. He was fishing this exact pond. He said he caught a 5. Like, he caught a 5 today. So, and I have caught a 5.5 in this pond. So it was definitely some big fish. This might be an access point. Ooh. This is what you gotta do to find some 5+ pounders. I mean, man, oh man. Yes, here's an opening. We have found an opening. This is access. Yes. Oh, casting in the wind is not the best. Okay, I'm tying on that whopper flopper. That's a good strong knot. Let's get to fishing. look at that wind. This thing is a heavy bait, so I should be able to whip this thing. Oh yeah, that looks like it'll get munched. Oh. So I'm gonna stand on this. And that sounds good, man. Oh my gosh, he just smoked that thing. Oh my gosh. Holy, he's big. Keep pressure on. Oh. He's big. Oh my gosh. He isn't hooked well. He isn't hooked well. This fish is not stopping. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He might be 5. He might be 5. Yes, I think he's pinned. Oh, let's get him back. Get him up on the bank. Stay pinned. Stay pinned. Stay pinned. Yes! Yes! Oh my gosh. Holy cow. On the Wappa Ploppa 110. Doesn't even hook that well. That hook just came right out. What the heck just happened? Oh my gosh. This guy's big. He might be a 5. Holy cow. These winds picking up. Oh my gosh. These bass wanted to feed. .51. 4.54. Yeah, 4.5 pounds. Man, oh man, is this one beautiful and big fish. The stomach on that guy. He's one big fish. Let's get a nice release on him and send him back. Yeah, he's ready to go. And he's off. That is one beautiful bass. Let's go, man. This was a crazy day of fishing. It was cold, windy, and rainy, and yet we came out here through those loud baits and we got bit. If you're ever in conditions like these, make sure to go out and throw that loud bait, because this can be when you get your biggest bites. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.